My name is Brad Micklin. I'm the lead attorney and managing member of the Micklin Law Group, which is a law firm concentrated in empowering men and fathers in divorce, custody, and family law matters, with offices in Nutley, Montclair, and Saddlebrook, New Jersey. I'm also the proud author of How to Survive and Thrive When Divorcing a Narcissist. You can find the book on Amazon.com in a Kindle version and a hardback copy by searching my name or the title. I hope it helps you or anybody facing these issues. Today's video is going to discuss some of the recent changes in the divorce process given the effects of the global pandemic. If you or anybody that you know is going through a divorce or maybe going through a divorce in the future, I'd recommend that you tune in. As everybody knows, divorces have been around for centuries, but the process has definitely changed over time, especially significantly recently. In this video, I'm going to talk about how the divorce process has changed and why it's important to be aware of these changes. There are a lot of misconceptions about divorce, so I want to set the record straight and talk about why these changes are so important. But first, let me just say the content in this video is not legal advice, but is intended to be informational. As always, we advise viewers to seek appropriate legal or tax advice when necessary to make proper decisions that could impact their lives and families. The information in this video is accurate as of the date of publishing, but laws are constantly changing, and it's important to stay up to date on all the latest regulations. If you or anybody that you care about has experienced issues with the New Jersey Family Court, let me know in the comments. So let's take a look at New Jersey law. New Jersey is one of the states in the U.S. that has close to a no-fault divorce law. This means you could get divorced without having to prove a reason, except to allege you've had experienced irreconcilable differences. New Jersey also has some of the most liberal divorce laws in the country, which makes it a popular destination for those seeking a divorce as long as they qualify. First, let's discuss what to expect in a New Jersey divorce process. Now, the process has changed a lot over time. In the past, it was much more difficult to get a divorce, and you had to provide a reason for wanting one. Divorces were also often very messy and drawn out. If you're getting a divorce in New Jersey, there are a few things that you can expect. First, you'll have to go through the process of filing for a divorce. This can be done online or in person at the local courthouse. Once the paperwork is filed, you'll have to serve your spouse with the divorce papers. The court will hold several scheduling conferences, send you to several mediation sessions, and eventually hold a trial to decide the issues. For more detailed information on the different types of conferences and mediation sessions you may encounter, check the videos I posted below for these topics. All divorces boil down to 5 basic issues: assets, debts, support, custody, and legal fees. Whether you have hundreds of dollars or hundreds of millions of dollars, these are your 5 issues. Each issue in and of itself is enough to do hours worth of videos, and I've posted some videos below to help guide you with these issues. Now, the divorce process has changed over time, especially given the changes in the world resulting from the COVID virus and global pandemic. Since the pandemic began, there's been a surge in divorce filings as many couples decide to end their marriage for a variety of reasons. However, the COVID pandemic has also caused changes in how divorce paperwork and proceedings are conducted. One of the most significant ways that COVID has changed the divorce court is by forcing many courts to close their doors to the public. This has made it more difficult for couples to file for divorce, as they now have to do so online or by mail. Additionally, many courts are also only hearing emergency cases at this time, which means that many divorces are often put on hold. As of the recording of this video, courts have reopened and many judges have returned to their chambers, but few are holding court like they did before the pandemic. Most hearings are held either virtually through Zoom or Microsoft Teams, and sometimes by phone. Originally, in order to accommodate the increase in filings, New Jersey Family Court instituted electronic filing and virtual court appearances, among many other changes. The intention was to facilitate and streamline these processes to handle the large uptick in divorce filings. However, I believe many courts discovered that these processes, while expeditious and helpful, may have facilitated filings much more than anticipated, creating a backlog that is forcing many judges in some county courthouses as a whole to limit and in some cases eliminate many divorce hearings. In conclusion, the divorce process has changed dramatically in the last few decades. Technology, most notably electronic filing, and the pandemic of COVID-19 have played a large role in this change. Judges are working hard to catch up, but there's still a large backlog of cases. If you're considering a divorce, be patient and be prepared for some delays. I hope this information helps you. If it does, please give a like and share the video so others get to see it. Here's my contact information if you have any questions or would like to schedule a meeting.